Good morning, Pleasant Grove. The Best Book Club is pleased to announce that it's time for our 2019 coat and clothing drive. We know we can depend on every member to help. The collection dates are December 8th through December 13th. We need new or gently used items. This includes coats, sweaters, hats, gloves, socks, and leggings. We also want to include personal care items. This will include soap, toothbrushes, toothpaste, deodorants, lotion, and things we all use on a daily basis. Please make sure that you place the item in a sturdy box when you bring them to the church. We will begin sorting on December 13th at 6:30 p.m. if anyone would like to come out and help. The distribution day is Saturday, December 14th, 2019 from 8:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. Tell everyone you know who may be in need. Thank you so much for your support.